Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lost Latvian. Here with another fitted video. This time we have received these guys and they came all the way from Europe from the Topperzstore. So finally, first of the 2 5-packs is here. The other one is coming. It's somewhere between Latvia and North America, but these ones are here. So that's one of the benefits of me being from Europe. You know, I have family in Latvia, so all I do is just go to the Topperzstore website, you know, place an order, ship it to Latvia to my sister's house, and then my brother-in-law puts it all together and ships it over to me. So the whole process takes about 3 weeks to 1 month, you know, but it's well worth the waiting. So yeah, caps are here, and let's start checking them out, you know. And the first cap I'm gonna show you guys is this beauty right here. And as always, we're gonna start from the back, from the Batterman. Cap is kind of a dark brown color, flat Batterman. And then we're gonna move to the side patch. And as you can see, it's my favorite team, San Diego Padres cap. And look at this dude. You know, I think this fire is really well done. You know, Kaplan, the caps, they're okay. They're not bad, but this Topper's version just knocks it out of the ballpark. By the way, up, spring training has started yesterday. Watched a little bit of the Padres game against the Mariners. Padres lost, you know, but they tried out a whole bunch of new players. Juan Soto actually messed up a fly ball to left field. He was playing the left fielder. He dropped the ball. That's how Mariners scored 2 runs. It was 3-2 when it was all done, the Mariners. But anyways, it's all early. But yeah, look at this cap. Yep, it's a great cap. I really like it. It's a brown brim, pink UV, white guts. Cap is made in Bangladesh. So yeah, cap number 1, Padres. Side patch is, yep, it's just a stadium side patch, or what I can see. And Friar itself is raised just like I like it. If you can see it from the side, you can see how raised it is, and it's on a bigger side too. Which really stands out, and his orange outfit and the yellow outline kind of pops it. Those colors pop on this cap. So yeah, first cap from Topperzstore. What I got, San Diego Padres. Moving on to the next one, and you know, I wish I would know all the history of all the baseball clubs or whatnot, but you'll see here shortly what I'm talking about. So the cap is black, also flat Batterman, and then we have this 40-year Colt .45 Astros patch. So those of you guys who know better the baseball, like I say, I'm very new to the baseball. You know, I've just been watching baseball for, basically started getting into it in 2007 when the Rockies went to the World Series. But then I kind of, you know, after it was done, Rockies sucked all the rest of the years, you know, and I kind of was keeping an eye on them, but it kind of, you know, I lost the interest. But it all got rekindled, you know, a few years back, and I really got into it. But I do not know about the Colts much. So is that a prep? What do you call it? Can't find the right name in English, but is that a team before the Astros? That's what the Astros became from the Colts, or is it a minor league? No, it's not a minor league team, nope, because it's a MLB Batterman. So I kind of think it could be that it's a team it evolved in becoming an Astro. So if I'm right or wrong, just leave a comment and let me know. But yeah, so it's all black, green UV. I wish it would be red or orange. Not a big fan of these green ones. Don't know why, but to me, it's almost kind of ugly. I don't know. I know I might be the minority here, but I like red ones. But anyway, so yeah, this is the Colts cap. I didn't have this style, this logo. So I decided to get it, and I'm very happy to have it. But yeah, so there you go. Cap number 2. And so moving on to the next one, and this is a very well-known team. Brown cap. Kind of a tonal new era logo. And this is probably my favorite side patch for Atlanta Braves. Yep, this is a Braves cap. I just like how well it's done. Yep, the red A letter, it's raised. The yellow outline. It's just super well done. And this patch itself is great. So the brim is black. That's what it seems to me. It is black. Yep, the light is just what I'm having here. It's kind of hard to determine. But it's a black brim, brown crown. My favorite UV. Look how well it looks. Look at the difference. From the black brim and the red under. Look at the other one, the green and the black. I just think that the red pops more. It looks better. That's me. Leave a comment and tell me which color you like better. Cap number 3, Atlanta Braves. I think it's a great looking cap. Really like it. White guts. And this cap was made in China. Cap number 3. Moving on to cap number 4, and the minute I saw it, I was watching Topper's YouTube channel, and when they announced that this cap was coming out, and even if I hate peanut butter in general, I think that the hook to this cap is so well done, that even for those who live in the United States, or for those who knows what the Reese's peanut butter cups are, you could right away tell what this cap is hooked to. So there you go. Flat Batterman, tonal new era logo. Then we got the Royals 25th side patch. Side patch actually could be better, it's kind of on the ugly side for me. But it sort of kind of works in a weird way with this cap. And then look at this. The script Royals, Kansas City Royals. So not sure how wearable this is, but I just wanted to have in my collection. I think it's pretty cool. I'll definitely rock it at some point. Then we have this nice yellow UV white guts. That's a freaking very good looking cap, and cap was made in Bangladesh. So Reese's peanut butter cup hooked cap. What do you think? Leave it in a comment if you like this cap or not. You know, some people may not like it. Some people would say that it's too bright or something like that, but I happen to like it a lot. But yep. And then the last one of the 5-pack. When I saw this one, it really stood out. I only have one cap from this team so far, so this is my second cap. So I really wanted to get it. You know, when I saw it on their website, I was like, I have to have it. You know, can you guess what it is? It is Minnesota Twins. Look at this script logo. It is done so well, no button violation. It's pretty freaking awesome. Great looking cap. A lot of people, again, they don't like white caps. I have no problem with them. Just gotta wear it at an appropriate time, you know, make sure you don't sweat your ass off, you know, and make it all dirty or whatnot. But it's actually off-white. It's not really white color. Gray UV. White guts. Cap is made in Bangladesh. So now the new trend is like, I feel like it's this script logos. You know, you see so many caps coming out with the script logos. So it's a new trend in 2023. It actually started like at the end of the last year. So we'll see how long this is gonna last. So yeah, cap number 5. So do you want me to rank them 5 to 1? I can, I guess. It's gonna be sort of kind of hard, but yeah, let's do it, I guess. It's hard when I'm looking at it. I guess the cap number 5 is gonna be this Colts for me. I mean, don't get me wrong, each one of these ones are great caps. You know, the toppers, they have definitely a quality to every single cap they make, you know. Rarely do they have misses, and even those misses, you know, it's like if you look at them, you know, you can kind of see, you know, where the mind of the designer was. You know, it's just that particular cap, it's just not for your eye, you know. It's not an ugly cap. It's just something, you know, you don't particularly like, but it's not a bad cap. Cap number 5. Cap number 4 is gonna be, I believe it's gonna be this Padres. Cap number 4. So as you can see, I'm not biased. I'm just giving my honest opinion. Cap number 4. Padres cap number 3. Cap number 3. That's got to be this Royals. That's for me. Cap number 3. The second place. Oh, well, how do I pick between these two, you know? I don't know. I guess the best way is like which one you would have to give up and which one you would keep to determine which is a better one. You know, like if I look at that way, you know, number 2 has got to be this Braves cap. I would rather keep the Twins cap. Number 2. And then the number 1 will be this Minnesota Twins script logo cap. All right, guys. So that's it. That's it. That's the first of 2 5-packs from Toppers. This one is here. We all saw it, all 5 of them. The next one, what's coming, there is particularly one cap which I completely adore. You know, stay tuned. It's gonna be here in, I would assume, like 2.5 weeks. Sometimes in March, you know, March 10 probably, somewhere around there. In the meantime, I have a bunch of caps here where I need to do the videos. There's still 4 coming in, but I got the rest of them here. And it's from the lids head drop down to crown minded. I actually bought 1 cap off the Grailed. 2, I just couldn't find it anywhere else. Super excited. I paid reseller's price. You know, it cost me 95 bucks. But you'll see when the time comes what cap it is. You know, I'm happy to have it. You know, even I had to overpay for it. But anyways, so yeah, this is gonna do for this week's video. You know, again, if you like my content, you know, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't know when this video is gonna be released. It's probably gonna be already March, you know, but this will be a video about the February caps. You know, I'm a little behind the schedule, you know. I'm still not feeling the greatest. I'm just putting the Brave face on it, you know. But yeah, short month, you know, 28 days. So I want this video and one more video relating to month of February, and then also create a video about my top 10 caps of February 2023. That will come. So this video, another one, and then the third one, top 10 caps. So yeah, be patient with me here as I'm working through my problems and issues and time constraints and everything like that. But yeah, if you like this video, press thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and guys, stay healthy and have a great weekend. Lost Latvian out. See you all soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.